Hi there, today I am on a Schoology course to show you how to access CultureGrams content from home. This process will be exactly the same whether you're on a MacBook or an iPad, whether you're in Schoology, Class Dojo, or Google Drive. So my facilitator has given me a link to access some CultureGrams content. Here it is at the top of the Schoology course. Again, this will work exactly the same in Dojo or in Drive. I'll go ahead and tap or click that link, and it'll take me to this landing page for ProQuest CultureGrams. There's a common username and password that everyone is going to use, and your facilitator should have given that to you. It is pvalley home is the username. The password is cgrams. This is simply to get you into being able to view and read that content. Here I've now landed on the page to this content that my facilitator has assigned me. I can go ahead and browse that, read it, search for additional content and anything I would need on CultureGrams. It's that simple. Use that common username and password and you'll be in no time. I hope that this was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.